The world is fast changing and facing widespread disruption. Don't get left behind. Learn about innovation and design thinking in Asia from one of the top innovation trainers and speakers, Mark Stuart, CSP, with over 15 years of regional management experience.
Hi, this is Mark Stuart.
Mark works with hundreds of organizations in 19 countries, both online and offline, training leaders on innovation, disruption, and the future of work.
Hi, I'm Mark Stuart, one of Asia's leading speakers on innovation. Now, Industry 4.0 has increased the urgency for manufacturing firms to innovate in order to stay ahead of the competition and survive in a fast-changing world. From smart factories to digital twins, the opportunities are vast, yet many firms still remain paralysed by indecision. Design thinking allows firms to find new ways to be innovative, to generate ideas that can help solve those problems, but in a user-centric way. So I'd like you to join me for this interactive design thinking course and find new ways for your firm to stay ahead of the competition.
In this online course, available to individuals and organizations, we feature videos, articles, quizzes, templates, and more. All videos have been subtitled for greater clarity. Discover the design thinking framework, learn real-life case studies from the world's most innovative companies, and learn how you can solve challenges with a user-centric perspective.